Hello, this is Cornell Mason Jones with Group 5, and we're going to show you how to add muzzle flash to simulated gunfire in After Effects. To shoot this scene, we used metal WE tactical gas-operated airsoft guns with fully functioning slides and magazines on a closed set out of public view. Here, I'm using the WE D-Series Bulldog. And here, Gladys slaps the magazine into a simulated Glock 19. Now, before we go any further, Cameron's going to give you a play-by-play on how Christian's going to add muzzle flashes to this scene.
Hello. First, we mark the clip where we want to add a muzzle flash. Then we add the muzzle flash animation on top of the gun and mask around the gun. Once we mask, we invert and feather it around the edges of the mask to soften the flash. From there, we go to the Effects tab and add a fast blur effect to the muzzle flash to give the flash a more realistic look. To add a 3D bullet shell effect, we make a new solid layer and add a third-party plugin called Element 3D. You can get this plugin from videocopilot.com. We shrink the size of the bullet, and from there we animate the shell coming out of the gun by adding keyframe by moving the shell frame by frame. Now we move to color correction, in which we create a new adjustment layer. Go into the Effects tab and add a color curves tool using the swatches to blend the animations to give it a more cinematic feel.
Now that muzzle flashes have been added, let's take a look at the results. Wait a minute, I forgot something. Oh yeah, permits. This is important if you're going to use simulated weapons in a public place. Jay, take it away.
Hello, my name is Jay Deerfield and I'm going to talk to you about permits. If you're going to use prop guns outside or on an open set, you should get a permit. You can start by contacting Film LA Incorporated for a pre-permit consultation as soon as possible, and also include insurance verification from your school. When filling out the permit application request, include school name, applicant's name, the title of the project, location address, number of cast and crew members, names of assistant director, director, and production manager, number of project and personal vehicles on location, dates and hours of filming, and a brief description of the action. If your action includes prop guns or simulated gunfire, you will need to fill out the gunfire section in the location details on the permit application request. Include load type, number of takes per day, number of times per take. If you're going to use exploding squib packs, you will also need to fill out the special effects section on the application as well. You will also be required to distribute a notice of student filming. Advance notice must be provided to all residents, merchants, and or businesses within a 500-foot radius. Simulated gunfire may require a wider area.
Now, let's watch the rest of the scene.